walking around and looking at other groups' phylogenetic trees. Okay? Alright, so I have this question for you. Were there other things, or are there other things other than physical measurements of skulls that could be used as data for this particular investigation? Okay, so Chelsea, give me an idea of what some other things that could have been used.
Like the forehead was flat, like vertical was like the exact measurement.
Okay, so some other observations of the skulls. Are there some other types of data? What do you mean by time periods?
Like when they live.
Okay, when they live.
And if they like two different species ever like crossed in the same amount of time.
Okay, all right. Are there some other additional pieces of information that you could have used? Where they live. Why would that might be important?
Changing how they look. They'll have to adapt to their environment, so they'll have to change their features to better suit them.
Can you just automatically change your features?
No, like baseball.
Okay. So I heard Nick ask a couple of times for people's charts if they did it chronologically. Is that correct, Nick? And why chronologically? Do we know that some of these species or specimens no longer exist?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do some of them still exist?
Mm-hmm.
Like us? Yeah. So according to group number 3, we're extinct. Apparently. Chimpanzees are still around, right? Okay. How many of you actually looked at this? Some groups did. Did you use any of the observations from this? Yeah? Alright, so when scientists are doing investigations, do they just rely on one type of observation? So for example, do we just rely on qualitative or just rely on quantitative? What do we do?
Use both.
Use both.
Different sources.
Different sources, okay? How did we take care of the different source aspect in here? Models. How many groups measured each one? 2. Right? Do you think there's only one answer? Yes or no? Tell me. Actually, there is not only one answer. And I wanted to show you this, and I know you can't see all the names on them, but you kind of get this idea. These are the 4 leading scientists in the field of anthropology, specifically dealing with hominid evolution. And these are their phylogenetic trees. And tell me immediately, what do you notice about those? They are all different. What do you think makes them different? Don't just tell me it's the way they look. But say that again. The different characteristics that they used. Do all scientists privilege the same information all the time?
Nope.
Okay. Rough drafts due tomorrow.